Alright everyone, in this video, ipagpapatuloy po natin yung review natin ng Minerva Trading Journal. This time, our focus will be on their web-based app. Meaning, this journal you can access wherever you are as long as you have an internet connection. Okay? It's browser-based and it's very streamlined, easy to use. So, wala na pong excuse para hindi po tayo makapag-journal ng maayos. Now, before we continue, I think it's important to remind you all lang, na-mention ko rin to sa part 1 natin, that I did receive a free copy of the Excel version and the web app version, no? But that doesn't mean na maapektuhan ang review ko in any way, shape, or form. I've always been a straight shooter with you all, whether it comes to my trades, my analysis, laging diretso. So wala po kayo kailangan ikaba, kasi sinisiguro ko na yung mga reviews ko ay magpapatuloy lang nung trend na yon. Alright? Now, that being said, konting spoiler lang tayo, no? While I really like the Excel version, in fact, it's more comprehensive and I would recommend it kung hindi naman kayo madalas wala sa workstation nyo. The web app, I love because it's really helpful para sa akin. Mas bagay siya for my lifestyle. So wherever I am, kahit na kunyari nakasakay tayo pauwi or papunta ng work, pwede ko i-check yung journal ko, pwede ko i-review yung mga trades ko, 'di ba? Pwede ko i-check yung mga charts nung bakit ko to trade, 'di ba? Saan ko to trade? Ano ginawa ko dito? Lahat 'yon I can check on the go. And that's a really big deal for me, no? Plus hindi ko na kailangan lagi bit-bit yung file ng journal ko. Alright? Now, para wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy pa, dumiretso na po tayo dun sa actual web app. Okay, so ito po yung web-based app ng Minerva Trading Journal. Now, before we continue, quick disclaimer lang that most of the information that you see here sa dashboard natin is made up, no? The numbers, the size of the deposits, the size of the trades, those are all made up. Ang hindi ko lang inimbento is yung mga actual trades themselves kasi tinamad na ako maghanap pa ng isa-isang chart tapos hahanapin ko pa saan bumili, saan yung ganito, di ba? Para lang mag-produce ng data points. So I figured I'd use my own trades but obfuscate yung mga mas sensitive na details. Okay? As you can see, etong dashboard natin, very, very similar yung look dun sa Excel version. Now, for me, mas streamline ng konti yung itsura nito. And I think the reason for that is meron tayong limitations kahit papano when using Excel, no? And ito, dahil web-based app siya, mas nawawala yung mga limitations na yon. Okay, so for me, it looks much crisper, much nicer. Now, I really like yung Excel version nitong Minerva Trading Journal, no? But I love the web-based version. I really appreciate being able to take my journal on the go para kahit na I'm out because of work or maybe you're out of the country, nagbakasyon kayo or you have something to do for your business, for your work or whatever, you can bring your journal with you and you can still keep track of your trades as they go. Okay? Now, merong ibang features yung Excel version na wala pa dito sa web-based app and we'll go through those in a little bit. But first, I want to show you yung pinaka-notable difference dito sa dashboard natin. Okay? Everything is the same. Yung overall performance, stat sheet, equity curve, last 12 months performance, best setup and worst setup, most traded symbol. Lahat yan meron doon sa dati, no? Ang nag-iba dito is yung filter. Dati, yung filter, kapag sa Excel, built-in na, nandito siya sa taas. Ito, maganda placement niya, mas maganda yung itsura, and you can turn it on and off, no? Kung hindi nyo naman siya kailangan, you can turn it off para nakikita nyo ng mas buo yung pertinent information para sa inyo. Okay? Now, if you go to the trade section, okay, mapapansin nyo, yung isa sa mga differences is wala yung quote-and-quote live price ng isang specific na stock or isang specific na chart, no? And that's because it's not yet been built in here. But I have been assured by the team that it's something that they're working on along with other surprises para sa inyo. Okay? Now, I've taken the liberty, as I said, to fill up some of the blanks para lang mas may laman tayo. And I wanted to go through each of these really quickly kasi hindi natin to dinaanan doon sa Excel review natin. So yung mga dito, ticker symbol, very self-explanatory naman. Status, kung open pa or closed yung trade. Okay? Tapos, kung anong type na, obviously kung PSE kayo, puro long lang yung pwede nating i-trade, no? Tapos, of course, yung mga dates, average entry price, average exit price. As you can see, they do all the calculations for you na para wala na kayong iisipin, no? Hindi nyo na kailangan isipin, magkano yung cost, magkano, sila nang bahala. Okay? The total units, net gain, net loss, net percentage. Diba? Remaining units, kung open pa yung trade nyo. As you can see, open yung trades ko sa crit, saka sa EMP. Diba? Hindi ko pa nako-close dito. Therefore, open pa sila dito. Nandiyan pa yung available na remaining units. Total cost, okay? Tapos total proceeds, no? Yung proceeds, yun yung magkano yung naging kinahinatnan nung amount na pinang-trade or pinang-invest nyo after nyo siya ibenta. Kaya may mga zero dyan kasi open pa yung positions natin. Then, of course, yung may port allocation. As you can see, open pa to. Port effect. Anong type of setup. And then, I really like this feature kasi you can keep an image of your trade. So, kunyari tong crit, naglagay ako ng chart dito. Diba? Yung iba, sinadya kong hindi lagyan para lang may contrast tayo. No? Kitang-kita nyo kaagad yung camera na symbol. Itong EMP, nandyan yung chart when you click on it. Okay? And so on, no? Tapos, pero pwede pa tayo maglagay ng notes. How do you do that? You click on this pen tool. Tapos, nandyan yung pangpili nyo na kung anong setup. Yung URL ng chart nyo. And you get this by clicking on the camera icon sa chart nyo sa Instagrams or sa TradingView. And then, of course, you can insert whatever notes you like here. And kung kunwari, may mali kayong entry, ayaw nyo na, gusto nyo na alisin, then you can delete by using the trash can icon. Now, I wanted to show you here paano magdagdag ng posisyon. Kunwari, dito sa EMP, diba? Open siya, long tayo. Gusto ko pang bumili. So, all I have to do is choose the date. So, let's say, binili ko siya noong January 21, for example. Then, yung ticker symbol, EMP. Okay, transaction type buy. Tapos, sabihin natin, nabili natin at 19.24. Actually, yan talaga yung nabili ko, nakaragdagan, no? Then, let's say, about 400 shares, more or less. Then, save. Now, mapapansin nyo, yung shares natin, kanina, total units, 1.4. Ngayon, naging 1.8 na. Mag-isa na siyang dumadagdag. So, kapag kunwari, nagtatranche kayo, hindi nyo kailangan makita na maraming naakalat na posisyon. They combine everything for you. Now, how do you close your trades? Diba? Paano nyo nga ba naman nasasara? So, you click on new trade again. Okay, pagpalagay natin, the date was, I don't know, February 3, kunwari. Tas ticker symbol, M ulit. You change this to sell. Then price, sabihin natin, nabenta natin na 22.3, no? Tapos, pwede nyo ilagay kung ilan nabenta nyo. So, let's say we were able to sell everything. You click on save. Okay? Makikita nyo na yung EMP natin, close na siya. Kasi nabenta na natin. And from yung total cost of 35,517.53, our total proceeds became 39,780.75. Okay? Ganon din. Pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan. Anong type of setup? Swing. Diba? So, lagyan nyo lang lahat. So, very easy, very quick to use, walang kahirap-hirap, no? Pwede nyo rin i-click tong trade transactions and from there, you will see lahat ng mga trade na transactions na pinasok nyo. Okay, so from here, lahat. So, ano yung EMP, IMI, LR, okay, AP, CRIT, lahat ng pinasok ko. Okay, it's all gonna be in here. Lahat nandyan, makikita nyo. So, may breakdown kayo kahit na nag-tranche kayo ng dahan-dahan. Makikita nyo yung EMP, pinasok ko maraming beses, diba? Para lang pakita sa inyo yung ganon. Pag-tranche or 500 shares, 400 shares, it doesn't matter. Kahit di pareho yung amount, they will update it accordingly. Okay? Next, tignan natin yung risk calculator na kasama dito. Now, itong risk calculator, it calculates for your VAR, no? For your value at risk. So, let's say your portfolio size was 100,000. Okay? Let's say your value at risk is 1% of your portfolio, meaning you're willing to lose 1,000 pesos per trade kung matalo kayo. And then your entry price, sabihin natin, was at 2.55, yung IPO ng CRIT, no? Then let's say your exit price was 2.4. So it calculates it for you. Okay? It calculates everything for you, tapos wala na kayong iisipin. Okay? You can buy up to 6,000 shares, 15,000 pesos, tapos kung napakat kayo at 2.4, around 1,000 pesos yung matatalo sa inyo. And ang maganda dito, it has given you multiple avenues to do so, no? Lahat pwede nyo lagyan yan. So hindi nyo kailangan lagi burahin ng burahin. Kung marami kayong binabantayan sa watchlist nyo, you can keep track of everything here. Now, meron pa rin dito yung file upload, no? Yung sinasabi kong isa sa magandang features ng Minerva Trading Journal. This is what allows you to upload yung statement na pwede nyong makuha from your broker into Minerva para hindi nyo na kailangan i-input pa isa-isa. Okay? Now, syempre, as mentioned before, your broker doesn't care kung ano yung setup nyo. So, just because nag-upload kayo ng statement, it doesn't mean na may screenshot na yun ng chart, na meron na yung kung anong setup yun, and so on, no? Syempre, wala yun doon. Okay? But, at least, the majority of the work will be in na. Ilan yung binili nyo, kailan kayo bumili, kailan nyo binenta, and so on, no? And Minerva will be the one to import everything and then translate, quote-unquote, everything para mapasok na silang lahat sa journal nyo. Okay? Now, I've been asked, ano ba yung mga brokers na tinatanggap ng Minerva? Okay? So, you can see that list in this image that's flashing in your screen right now. No? As you can see, marami silang brokers na tinatanggap, not just local brokers, pero pati mga international brokers as well as sa crypto, no? Pati nga MT4, pang Forex, and so on, lahat meron. So this one tool can help you to journal all the markets that you trade. Alright? Now, before we end this video, just a couple of points lang, no? Number one, the Minerva team did mention na baka daw sa future, maging subscription-based na yung web app service nila. Kasi nga naman may additional back-end cost, di ba, for hosting it online. However, if you availed of their lifetime package, since quote-unquote lifetime nga, di ba, wala na po kayong kailangan extra bayaran in the future kahit na maging subscription-based pa sila. Okay? You will always have access to both the Excel version, all its upgrades, and the web-based app, and all its upgrades with no additional fees moving forward. Okay? And right now, naka-sale sila. Also, item number 2, mapapansin nyo, meron mga ibang tabs or features na hindi ako gaano naging uber comprehensive about. And that's because merong available sa Facebook page nila na videos on how to use those specific things. So if you want a more in-depth na discussion about certain features, be sure to check their Facebook page, the link of which is in the description box below. Alright? So dito po nagtatapos yung video natin. I hope nagustuhan nyo po yung comprehensive review natin dito sa Minerva Trading Journal. Be sure to look out for our interview with the Minerva team para lang mas mabuo pa yung view nyo on whether or not this journal is for you. Okay? That video is coming out next week. Okay, so as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!